When we decided to visit Australia, I never thought this country would surprise me to this extent. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to take you all for a helicopter ride. This was entirely unplanned as far as my son is concerned because it was his birthday. And like every year, he expected a gift from us, and from morning, he didn't find any, and obviously, he was very upset. Little did he know that we had done a pre-booking for a helicopter ride. So we arrived this park called the Sea World Park. It's a theme park, and the helicopter ride begins from a terminal there. The walk towards the copter was very adventurous, like with that kind of a sound and the wind of the blades. No wonder it's called the chopper. Like it was just like standing in a chopper. You all might have wondered why the passengers in a helicopter is always having a headphone with them. So the noise from the helicopter's propellers are so loud you wouldn't be able to hear the other person. So these headphones have speakers inside them that allowed communication between the passengers. Like we could speak even to the pilot, and it also provide protection from the loud noise. So this ride gives us a bird's eye view of the Gold Coast and the buildings and the beaches. And they also fly over the SeaWorld itself, the theme park from where we took off. So this entire trip is around 10 to 15 minutes, and it was worth it. It was our first experience, and we were thrilled.